What is up, everybody? The sun is shining here. I got another fantastic video for you. We are down here or over in Phoenix, Arizona, and we're doing the Mecum car auctions with our partner Vern Lewis. Not only that, I'm going to walk you through this whole event. We're going to go out in the industry and do live demonstrations. So if you stick around, you'll see a few accounts, some new applications, welding applications that you may have never seen before. So follow me. There's the man right there, Joseph himself. How are you?
Good
this morning?
When Mecum is that's direct.
Here you go, Sea Beach 34 and his Broncos. There we go. You bidding on it? So I made it down on the floor. This is the first time I've ever been to one of the Mecum car auctions. Pretty excited about it. They got a ton of vehicles that you can bid on, and if you need financing, they offer financing right here at the car auctions, so you can spend all that money. And maybe your significant other will be happy about it, but I highly doubt it. How many of you have been to the Mecum car auctions before? What's your experiences? Do you spend the whole week, or do you go on a Saturday? Do you buy anything? Do you bid on anything? Let me know in the comments. I'm just curious. No reserve. See, these are the ones that I'd be interested in, is the no reserve ones. Maybe you can get a smoking deal on some of these vehicles. Always wanted a convertible like this one. Mercedes convertible. This could be your summertime cruise to the mall or cruise to shop car. What do you think? What do you think? There's no reserve on it. Right there, no reserve. I wonder what it would go for. break from Mecum to stop at my friends at Vern Lewis. Look who we have, Kevin,
And then, my wife
Mr. Lip.
Glad it's gone.
I picked up Stranded Lane at the hotel, and we're loading this machine into my lovely minivan. Here's the ticket. So you slide it up, kick it up like a skateboard, and push it in. So we are demoing this at 3 places tomorrow. Stick around. And we are demoing the Fronius Accu Pocket as well tomorrow. Stick around. So this is all lead plate?
Yeah, this actually has a little bit of silver in it. Is copper encased with pure lead.
So then these get welded onto that?
Onto that.
How heavy is that?
Those are about 60 pounds. Which way you? Start to clamp this all up. We could actually, we're not supposed to, but we can run it while we're standing in here if we stand off to the side.
as long as you demo the reach.
Yeah, that thing, this table will whip around it. Getting better at it though, man. Before it would take it forever to get to the point that we were at. It's good to see that. Yeah. Give it just a second. I gotta make it quick.
Uh-huh. What job number is that?
What job number is that? Okay, so it should be without wire this hole right now.
What job number?
21. This one
It's running good, man.
You see that? Like it just uses it. It's going to do this whole run without it, and then it'll come back to weld it.
This is with wire
With-
now, and that's
with
gonna weld the
wire
whole
now.
seam. And it does this one time?
Yeah, one time. Okay, see what this, yeah.
Yep. You can change that. In the controller. So if you talk to your ABB rep, or whoever you're talking to, just tell them that you need to know how to change the job number on your arc start. Or we can look at it right now. Yep.
But do it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that tip is big difference.
It's almost flat, you see it?
Yeah.
What's up, everybody? I'm here at Tank World in Phoenix, Arizona, and this is a typical industrial shop. Take a look around. Over here, you can span around. Look at this big tank. This big tank. Look over here. So Tank World, what they do is they manufacture waste treatment tanks that go on trucks. Not only do they manufacture the tanks, but they retrofit the trucks and sell the whole package to the customer, which is kind of cool. So everything in here is three-phase. So Fronius, they have what we call a PPSI. So this is a 400 amp multi-process pulse unit capable of push-pull guns. And right now we are doing a demo here on this very unit with one of our push-pull guns there, and it has controls on it to where you can make all your adjustments inside the tank. So you never have to come out to the machine. So it's a win, total win. This is your typical application on a tank. So if you come in here, you have your end caps, and then on the inside you have these baffles. So these baffles get welded into certain sections of the tank. They weld the inside of the baffles. They weld the cones on, the end caps on. So there is a ton of welding inside these tanks. So the benefit of the Fronius push-pull torch is you can make all your adjustments right from the torch. Here's the push-pull torch. If any of you don't know what a push-pull torch is, it has a motor built in the machine, so you can feed the aluminum wire long distances. Now this one, you can swivel the neck 360 degrees, but all your adjustments are here. So here you can adjust your wire feed speed on the fly. You can change your programs or your memory. So if you want to run pulse or different settings, you can change them here just by hitting this up-down button. You can adjust your volts, material thickness, and amperage. Not only that, there's a built-in LED light. It is officially the last day of Mecum, and me and Joseph are gonna go to the Dodge tent and we're gonna get some action going on because you get to ride in them for free and do a little drifting. So I've never been in a Dodge Challenger before, have you? No, he hasn't. So it's our first experience. Thrill ride entrance. You ready, Joseph?
Yes.
You guys been out in a Hellcat before?
Never.
Never?
Never.
Oh man. Excited. These things are monsters. All buckled up?
Yep.
All buckled up. All right,
Here we go.